Morning, guys. So behind me there is where I'm going, Boundary Peak, and Montgomery Peak is across the saddle, which is in California apparently. Sweet sunrise this morning. I wasn't expecting all these clouds. Weather kind of changed on me in the middle of the night apparently. So let's hope that it doesn't cause too many problems, but the worst case scenario, just have some fun in the mountains, right? Hardest part's gonna be getting past the tree line probably if there's a lot of snow, because down here it's still pretty good thickness, but it's frozen, so I don't have to use my snowshoes. So let's hope for the best, right? But plan for the worst. See you up there, guys. Yeah. Made the trailhead. That was like a couple of miles, but we're here. So, yeah. All right, so obviously it's difficult to follow this trail. It's hard. Thankfully, they put these signs here, so I'm pretty sure a lot of it just follows this these trees here. Hey, stay inside these trees a little bit. It's pretty windy today. Yesterday wasn't that bad. But that's where we're going. If I can keep making decent time. The snow is just killing me. It's probably a good 2 or 3 foot still. In some spots, snowshoes just go straight to the ground through the snow and you're pole holding. But, or posting, or whatever you want to call it. But, let's keep on going. Well, that's one good sign. I always look for rock piles like that. People usually do it to mark the trail. But, you know, it could be a kid playing around. Who knows? But I'm going to take this canyon till it dead ends. And then I'm going to cut up that ridge to the summit up there. It's the best idea I got right now. That's where I came from. Jesus, some cold wind. Yeah, buddy.
we're not gonna make the actual trail, so it's too far away. So this is how we're going. Going down a little bit, trying to get over there, and then cut down into the canyon, and then out. Whether I slide or, you know, hike, it really doesn't matter. So of course on the way down my all trails works, but on the way up it doesn't. So looking at the map, the trail is over there somewhere and goes up, either goes up that ridge and over, or it just goes right up over there in between. So come on, Boundary Peak Wilderness, why don't you guys mark your trail better? I haven't seen a single sign since this morning. So it looks like there might be a trail on that ridge right there, hanging off the side like a switchback going up it. But from here, you know, you just don't know. So Boundary Peak, you got me this time, but next time you won't fool me as much. I'll come back for a vengeance for you. So, well, I met back in with my tracks of where I came up at, so my phone's not telling me where the map's at anymore, but I know there's a sign down there, but I don't know how far, but I'm not really sure if this was the actual trail and I should have just kept left or what, or if it's up there. So, oh well. We're making decent time. We'll get back right at dark probably. So this was the last sign that I saw. You can see how deep it is in the ground there. It's easily like 3 foot. I went right because if you face the sign, it looks like you're supposed to go right, but maybe you're supposed to go left or straight. But straight would be the same area that I just came from, so I don't know anymore. I'm just speculating at this point, obviously. I just wish they had to put another one of these signs up somewhere up in that valley where I would have seen it to know to go hardcore left or where, but oh well. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if I summit or not. Like I said this morning, just a day in the mountains is a good day for me. I love it out here. So gauging off of this trail or this road versus the GPS that I was following yesterday and then hiking it, I would say probably added an extra 2 to 3 miles onto my hike this morning, because I'm obviously going faster than I was hiking up, going down, and it's taken me forever to get back to the 4Runner. And I've been on this road for a while and I haven't turned off, so I know it's the right road obviously. But so the hike from the trailhead, if you follow the actual trail obviously, is only like, it says 7 miles. But going up to the ridge that I did and going up, I'm not really sure. If I had to guess, I probably probably have done between 10 and 15 miles a day, but who knows anymore. There you are. I see you. Forerunner in all her glory waiting for me. Not a single soul. But yeah. Oh, crazy hair. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, that would be awesome. And I appreciate you watching this. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a good day. See you guys.